Hi, it's me.
Hello, I'm alive. Of course I'm alive, because I'm YouTube famous now.
Do you want to do the Petermonn impersonation?
You're YouTube famous now.
Oh, Petermonn, I love you. Cut. Today it's a wonderful day. Cut. Because today is a package opening day. Oh my god. It's a package from Desert Plants of AVALON. Linny and Hansi. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hitchcock time. Oh, wait. Sorry, he's looking at me like I'm crazy. Could I have a knife? It's Hitchcock time. Uh-oh. Guys, the first... Oh, I am in love. This is fire stick, isn't it? Is the yes, stick on fire. Oh, have a letter. So let me show you. Look how beautiful packaged it is. It's really beautiful. Honey, honey, honey. Ah! I'm so excited. Oh, look. Look how cute. Oh. Lots of seeds. Oh, I don't know what to do first. Read or see what it is. Look, guys. So cute. And beautiful handwriting. Wow. This is so beautiful. Look. It's Hans. I will post all the links down below. And look, Linny. Oh. Look how beautiful. What a beautiful business card. Let me see. Oh my god! This is the seeds I think Linny harvested herself. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Look how many seeds, honey.
We don't have any room.
We are just about to move, so we do gonna have plenty of room. And like Linny and Hansi says, there is always space for one more. Thank you so much. Oh. It feels like Christmas, I'm sorry. Oh, and I don't even celebrate Christmas. But I love this fire stick. Oh god. This is gonna be a beautiful plant. Wow. Wow. Oh god, I'm so excited. So let me continue with opening the package. And the next in the package is Kalanchoe tomentosa. Oh, these are so cute. I was actually latest today looking at this, but I was thinking, oh god, I can't. But look, it is so beautiful. Really, really beautiful. It's amazing. And the shit, oh, it's so fuzzy. It's like a furry friend, like my hamster Hamilton. Excited. What do we have here? Astrocylindro. Ah! This one is a sticky friend. Oh yes. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. Back to Sweden. So I'm guessing this is Hansi's plant, which he had with him from Stockholm to Linny's to Belfast, and now he's sending one piece back. Thank you so much. Wow, I'm loving it. Can you imagine what a story we actually make? That's amazing. Oh. How do I do that? So like this. And the next one is Cholla cactus. Tephro variety. Ah, yeah. Oh, you know this Cholla cactus? Oh my god. Ha 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 ha. These spines are so dangerous. These spines are kind of backwards, so when it goes in like a hook, when it goes in the body and you wanna pull it out, it hurts a lot because it's wrong way. Oh wow, that's cool. I love it. Thank you. This is gonna be painful round. It's grown from seed from 2000. Wow. Look, love. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. With the red spine. Oh wow. Look how pretty. And it's so firm. Fast? No, not fast. I cannot say fast. Fast is in Sweden. So firm. Wow, and grown from seeds. That's amazing. Oh wow. Oh god, I'm shaking actually. Gently. Smells good. I have very sensitive nose, but it really smells good. Oh, what is this kind of beauty? Look how good packaged. It's pretty, nah? It's really good. Oh, what a beauty! Trichocereus pachanoi. If I do grown from seed 2015. Oh, guys. Oh my god, isn't that amazing? I love it. It's so pretty and healthy and wow. Oh my god. I am impressed. It's already too much. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Oh, this is Mother of Thousands. This is one. Oh, it's a little bit dry out, but she will perk up with this beautiful pattern on the back, and the babies are still attached with the roots on. That's pretty. Yes. Cut. I'm sorry. Battery change. Oh, look at this. This is some aloe variety and it's so beautiful. Oh, it looks like jaws. Shark jaws. So pretty. Beautiful, huh? Oh wow. Wow. I'm so amazed. And there we have one. Ooh, who's this special friend? Oh, no!
Yes.
so cute, love. Oh my god. Do you know what that is, guys? Okay. Write in the comments below. No cheat. This. Did you write? Did you? I'm gonna tell you. It's Euphorbia medusa. It's this beautiful, beautiful euphorbia which produces kind of head and this kind of arms under. It looks like a Versace Medusa. Oh my god! Oh, I was in Trelleborg just for last weekend and I saw this. Oh my. Are you kidding me? This is very hard to find. Thank you. Oh god! So excited. Wasn't my fault. Just fell out. So let me see. Dragon fruit. It's a dragon fruit. Let's see if I can. Ow, 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 ow. Don't bite. Oh, wow. This is gonna be beautiful. Beautiful dragon fruit. Oh, I'm gonna pot this nicely. So pretty. So this is this. Just drop some jelly beans. But I will try to revive it. It's like a jelly bean crassula. But they didn't like the journey really, but I will try to put them all to propagate. And this is the Gollum. Not Gollum. It's a crassula family. It's really, really beautiful. So I will have to plant that. And let me see the next one. Oh, this is a special one. I'm really... Chlorophytum ocean. Oh yeah! This is the spider plant, I think. And I saw it in Lily's video. And it's really, really pretty. And it already have roots. Yes. So just put it straight in the soil. And I really love Chlorophytum. They are very beautiful, easy plants. And the last one. Pam 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 pam. So excited. Oh wow. This is a very beautiful aloe variety. Very compact. Wow, so firm. Really nice. Really compact form. I love it. And there is one more. One more baby. Wow, these are really beautiful. I like they have a kind of on the ridge. They have like a ridge back. You know the dog ridge back? They have not spines but thorns. I am totally amazed. Ouch. Such a pretty plant. Oh. Now I need to pot them up. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, look. I didn't even see it already. And this little baby have a little baby. It's a baby with a baby. Wow. So beautiful. Oh. Hansi, Lini. Oh my god, guys. I post all the links down below in the show more box. It's cut. It's so amazing and incredible that we actually make such a beautiful plant history. It really is. Imagine. Wow, wow, wow. Oh no, look. there is another one. It's another baby. I was just cleaning up this baby. Wow, I am so grateful and so amazed. So much beautiful plants. Cut.